Before getting started, you will need a few tools, including a spray bottle, water, a snap blade knife, and a friend to help with installation. Step number 1. Using a spray bottle, saturate the panel with clean water to activate the paste. Step 2. Once the panel is fully saturated, book the panel by folding each end toward the middle. Allow the panel to relax for 10 minutes. This ensures the paste fully activates. Step 3. Install the first panel. Unfold the top portion and smooth it onto the wall, ensuring that it's straight with your plumb line. Unfold the remainder of the panel and smooth out any remaining bubbles or creases. Step 4. Continue on to the next panel. Overlap the second panel over the first panel by 2 inches, making sure the seams match. Like the first panel, smooth out any bubbles or creases. Continue this method with any remaining panels. Then, step back and enjoy your handiwork. You successfully installed pre-pasted wallpaper. For more tips and tricks or inspiration, visit muralsyourway.com.